Welcome and please join me by the window for a few minutes of chair yoga, a simple way to loosen up, move a bit, and feel a little better in our body. So let's start right away with our fingers. Just open and close them. Maybe spreading the finger as you do that. So let me slow down here. Open and wave. Open and wave. Open wide and wave. Creepy finger, you're scratching your dog's back. Creepy finger, little claws here. Oh, pretend you're putting on your puppets. They can be whatever you want for puppet, and we're gonna do a little puppet show here. Maybe you just want to move one hand, the other one just following. Maybe both are dancing. Ooh. Little fingertip to fingertip. Back of the hands together. This is wonderful right here. For me anyway. I hope it is for you. If it's not, you skip the movement. Only go as high as it's comfortable for you. And skip anything that doesn't work. I offered options to choose from one day to the other. Our body feels different. So we're gonna make sure everything's adapted for our body today and every day. Okay, nice little knee hug. So I'm coming a little bit closer to the edge of my chair, actually more like center of my chair. Ankle under the knees if possible. And see if one of your foot wants to come up. Grab your pants maybe. If it's any pain in the leg, just cross your leg. Don't bring your leg up. Any pain in the hips that doesn't work for you, come down. So nice little hip opener. Inhale tall, exhale. Oh, maybe bring the leg a little bit closer here. If it feels good, that is. Little lower back movement. Just see how it feels. We're not doing any big thing right now. We're just assessing our back, our mobility, while getting a nice little hip opener. Other side. Oh, if you want to add a little breath with this, when we move something up often, we're gonna inhale and exhale on the way down. Sometimes I like exhaling on the effort if there is a big effort. We don't do a huge effort with my class, but we still move. And what's little for one person could be very big for another. So nice little hip opener. Don't collapse into your leg. You may want to touch it a little bit. See, okay. No forcing, never. Slide the leg. Let's go in a nice forward fold. Show me your palm. Show me your palm. Inhale your arms up. Maybe up is right here. Maybe up is up here. And exhale, round. Tuck in your lower belly and round your back. Starting low. So we start at our lower belly. Oh, maybe the hands are wiggling. Maybe they're catching the floor. Maybe they're on your thighs. Come back up again. Inhale up. Tuck in your belly. Exhale around your back. Good. Let it all loose. Neck is relaxed. Just a little bit. Push in your feet. We're coming back up. Inhale again. This time we're going to move that belly button here. And then the shoulder, the head. And do the puppet show from here. Puppet show. They couldn't see us when we were over here, so now we do our puppet show. Hey, come back. Inhale up, exhale. Belly button to the side. Keep breathing, of course. Puppet show. Little puppet show. A puppet show. We don't see those in the store as much. Great for imagination, right? Oh, Ah, my goodness. Let's make a little more room between our feet. Maybe bring your bum back a little bit. Let's bring our hands towards our heart, one towards the other. And exhale. We're just taking our hip and just moving. Come on, Paka, join us if you want. You're always welcome. I'm in an awkward position for her to jump there. Come back. A little bit. This is a little bit deeper than what we did. It's on the side. We're gonna add that twist like we were twisting. Just add that little twist with your belly button like we did. Maybe bringing an elbow towards the leg. We just don't smack it into our knees. We don't want to touch our joints and especially push on them, of course. Oh, come back up. Other side, belly button, go to the side and the shoulder. And here we go. This is deeper, so do what you did before with the puppet. You can add the puppet here too if you want. Oh, you'll have more chance to do puppet. Now we're gonna do the helicopter. And bring it down. So make sure your shoulders are low, back. Yeah, make sure everything's loose here. And open your helicopter's wing. Inhale tall, exhale a little bit to the side. We're not going as far as we did before. Now the trick is not to bring our hands in. So pretend you're holding a broomstick that is in your back. You're holding that broomstick here. Oh, yes, you can do puppet too if you want. I know, I like fun stuff. Oh, little helicopter. Oh, I'm bringing my arms down. Oh, it gets a little more. Bring your wings down a little bit. Oh, nice. A little helicopter here. Oh, ooh, let's go in goddess. Oh, legs to the side. I keep looking over here. I got patrons, members that are watching the film being made live. Hello. Inhale tall, maybe exhale around your back, hold the front of your chair, just look around, just let your back feel good. Mini little twist for the lower spine here. Oh, side and side. Oh, now if you can get up, stand up, if not stay on your chair. We're going to the side here. Oh, I'm gonna just turn my chair like this so you can see better. You can have a higher chair for this, whatever works, as long as you're able to grab the chair. And we're gonna do toe lifts. So just lifting the heel up. But we're gonna do them both at once. So you can just alternate, that's your option. Or lift our toes. Inhale, exhale. Your hands can be here. Or inhale, reach, reach, reach. Exhale, everything down. Maybe just one arm, reach, reach. Down. Reach, reach. Little puppet up on top. Oh, this is great for the calf. Now just bring your toes up, you're on your heels, maybe just one at a time or both. Little bend in the knee, my bum is back here. A little bit, nice. Now make sure we have room on both sides. We're gonna expand this way, not at the same time. We're gonna do the pendula. Just a little bit, this is great here. The little saddle we call, that's how we used to call it anyway, the little horse saddle. Little pendula. Push through your heel, push through your heel. Oh, maybe opening at the same time. Almost done here, and you can stop right now. That's all good. Oh, let's bring one foot heel up. Just bend your foot. You don't have to grab your leg. If you want to be on your tiptoe down here, it's fine. So lift it, maybe grab the ankle, and then make sure your knees are one towards the other. Oh, nice little balance. Challenge your balance. Oh, other side. Oh, let's bring the foot back here. Oh, just hold it. Shoulder is up and back. If your hands don't reach, don't worry. Just bend your back foot. See how it goes. Oh. Now, we're going to go on the same side. We're going to bend the knee front. And whoops, my chair, I'm a little too close here. So let's back a little bit. Knee and arm. Same side. Tuck your belly. Knee and arm. Yeah, it's tucked, I know. Ooh, other side. Don't worry if you did 5 on one and you do 6 on the other. It's not gonna make much difference. So, just go with each side of the body, how it is doing. Let's come back a little bit here. Oh, so maybe just like resting, nice little forward fold. Bend your knees, bend your knees. Just grab your chair where it feels good. Maybe your arms are down. Bringing my big toes in a little bit just to line up both sides of my feet. And we're gonna push back into our mountain pose. So you can stay in mountain pose standing. Maybe you never left your chair and you're on mountain pose on the chair. Oh, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope your body feels a little better. And feel free to stack another little video like this from my playlist and make yourself your own practice for what you need for yourself today. Those little videos are meant to stack onto each other like that. I will see you there, and until then, namaste.